dear learners. Today we are going to learn a new point, that is the ghee. In previous lecture, we have seen the preparation of makhan or the or or the loni in Marathi language by the traditional means, and by using the same makhan or the butter or the loni, the ghee is prepared. So here in this lecture we are going to see in detail the preparation of ghee. So let's start the new topic. As we have seen the history of the Makhan. Makhan has a very long history, that is the Vedic times, means 3000 to 2000 BC before the Christ. We may find the records of the ghee in the Rig Veda. Rig Veda is known as the oldest of the Vedas, in which we may see the records of using ghee. Also, we can see due to the dietary importance and due to the religious practices, we may find the records of ghee in the oldest literature, that is the Vedas. And it is written in Sanskrit language. So here are the few lines which is written in Sanskrit language, and those lines are translated in English language. The first one is the give us food of many kinds dripping with the makhan. The stream of ghee descended on fire like a deer fleeing from the hunger. The stream of ghee fall copious and rapid as the water of river. So these are the few lines which is written in Sanskrit language in Rig Veda, which is also known as the oldest of the Vedas. So this is the history of the ghee. So after understanding the history of ghee, you may also understand the dietary importance of ghee, religious importance of ghee, because in Vedic times or in Vedic periods, ghee was extensively used in various yajna for worship of the god. So this has the long history. Next point, let's see the next point. We may say that the ghee is produced on the large scale. What would be the cause for the production of the ghee? What would be the cause for the large production of ghee? Here are the few points due to which the ghee is produced on the large scale. The first one is the lack of all weather and refrigerated transport facility. As we may see that generally the milk is produced at the village level, and due to not having the refrigerated equipment, due to not having the transport facility, this milk is converted to the ghee, which has the very long shelf life. Due to the unfavorable climatic conditions, ghee is prepared by using the milk. Ghee has the long keeping quality as compared to the milk. Therefore, the milk is again converted to the ghee, and the market demand. Today also, ghee has the more market demand. So these are the few points. On the basis of these 4 points, the ghee is produced on the large scale. Now we will see the definition of ghee. According to PAP rules 1976, ghee is the pure clarified fat derived solely from milk or from desi butter or from cream to which no coloring matter is added. We have also seen same definition in the Makhan. In Makhan also, the no coloring matter was added. It was also written in the definition of Makhan. No coloring matter, no preservatives, no other fats, wax, mineral oils is to be added into the Makhan. And the same Makhan is used here in the preparation of the ghee. Therefore, it is given here in this definition, ghee is the pure clarified fat derived solely from the milk. Means it is solely clarified from the milk or solely clarified from the desi butter, means the makhan. And you know very well the definition of the makhan. From the cream, means the when milk is heated and the lighter portion comes to the surface of that the milk that is removed, and that is called as the cream. So that cream is also used for the preparation of this ghee, to which no coloring matter is added. Means if we are using the milk, if we are using the desi butter, if we are using the cream, into which no coloring matter should be added. And the standard of quality of ghee produced in state or union territory is given to them, because each state and each union territory has their own specifications regarding the fat content and regarding the other characteristics. So in coming slide we are going to see the composition of table. So therefore in this definition the standards are not given, because the standards for the state wise are different. State wise there is the difference in the fat content into the different states. Means Maharashtra has the different standards for the ghee. Gujarat has the different standards for the ghee. Rajasthan has the different standards for the ghee. If the cotton producing area is there, so for that area also different standards are given by the PFA, means Prevention of Food Adulteration Act. So by watching the table which is given by the PFA, we may see the difference between the standards of quality for the different states and different union territories. So this is the definitions. Once again, see the definition of the ghee. The ghee means the product which is obtained solely from the milk or the desi butter or the cream, to which no coloring matter is added. And the standards of the quality are the different for the different states and different union territories. Therefore, here no clear-cut specifications are given for the ghee. For this purpose, we have to see the table which is given by the PFA. This is the composition. This is table of composition of ghee. Here, cow milk and the buffalo milk, the composition is different for the cow milk and the buffalo milk. But the fat and moisture contents are similar for the cow milk and the buffalo milk. Fat content, that is it should be between the 99 to 99.5%, whereas the moisture content should not be more than 0.5%, whereas the carotene content microgram per gram should be for the cow, that is the 3.2 to 7.4, whereas in buffalo milk it should be absent. It is always absent. The carotene absent in the buffalo milk. Therefore, here the no carotene is given because. Then again, vitamin A, international unit per gram. For the cow milk is the 19 to 34, whereas for the buffalo milk it is the 17 to 38. Tocopherol content microgram per gram, that is a 26 to 48, and for the buffalo milk is 18 to 37. Free fatty acid content, that is the percentage oleic acid, maximum 2.8, and which is given by the egg mark. And if chat, casein, salt of copper and iron present, it should be traces. Traces are found in both the cow milk and the buffalo milk. So this is about the introduction of ghee, history of ghee, definition of ghee, and the composition of ghee. In next lecture, we are going to see in detail the various methods of ghee preparation. So, the ghee is generally prepared by various methods, and into this lecture, we are going to see in detail the preparation of ghee. So, thank you very much for listening my lecture.